How Do Women Orgasm? A video by SquirtBible.com. Every woman's body is unique. Some have erogenous zones in places you wouldn't think to stimulate. It's important to communicate with her to know exactly what areas turn her on the most. However, there are a couple areas that are fairly guaranteed to bring her to orgasm. The first is the clitoris, and the second is the G-spot, otherwise known as clitoral and vaginal orgasms. Location aside, there are some key differences to the two, including intensity and reactions from her body. Clitoral orgasms. Clitoral orgasms occur through stimulation of the woman's clitoris. They are typically fairly quick depending on the woman. The clitoris is found just beneath her pubic bone and at the top of her vaginal opening. You'll need to push back the lips and the clitoris hood to expose it. For the majority of women, the clitoris is extremely sensitive, so handle it with care and use lubrication. Find a brand you both like, or you can use saliva if she's not naturally wet already. You can use your mouth to suck it or your tongue to lick it. You massage it by placing your pointer and middle finger on either side of it and applying slight pressure as you move your fingers from side to side or in circular motions. Pay attention to how she's responding to your touch, or better yet, ask her what she likes. Vaginal orgasms. Vaginal orgasms occur through stimulating the G-spot. It's much more intense than a clitoral orgasm, and it stimulates squirting. Multiple orgasms are usually had this way. The best way to locate the G-spot is to have the woman lie on her back and slide one lubricated finger inside of her. You'll need to go about 2 inches into her vaginal canal, or 2 knuckles deep. Once inside, make the come here motion with your finger. You should notice an area on the vaginal wall that feels more inflamed than the rest of the skin. This is the area you'll want to concentrate on. If she's comfortable, you may want to insert another finger and begin sliding them back and forth. The G-spot requires a firm pressure, so you'll want to communicate with her to know what works for her. While there are many ways a woman can orgasm, vaginal and clitoral are the two most common. In both instances, lubrication is important, but each requires a unique touch. Be sure to check in and talk to her about what she needs to reach orgasm. For more great sex tips and to learn how to make your woman squirt, head over to SquirtBible.com.